And Afropamposaurus.
Wait, what's your question?
Some that didn't have all the types.
Oh, they didn't have all the dinosaurs? Which ones were they missing?
A lot.
Like what?
Like, they didn't have Eoraptor, they have Velociraptor, and they didn't have Neurosaurus and Apatosaurus, and Europasaurus, and
Did they have Argentinosaurus?
no, they didn't.
No.
And no Triceratops. They're missing all of them.
Yeah.
They're missing a lot.
Mm-hmm.
They were yes, and then they didn't have any flying creatures.
Didn't have any flying creatures.
No.
You're right. But they did have a lot of good ones, right?
Yes, all of them were good ones.
Yeah. There was a Brachiosaurus.
Why they didn't have all of the types?
Because there's so many types that they couldn't fit them all.
Why?
They had to pick their favorites.
Why?
And they had a Velociraptor. And they had a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Why do you mean to pick your favorite?
Because they can't put all of them in out there. Because there's so many dinosaurs.
Why they can't put all of them out there?
They had to pick their favorites. Just have some.
Why they only have to pick their favorites?
Because they have limits. Maybe they didn't have enough money to build too many.
How do they do it?
What?
How do they put everything on the ground? How do they put all the dinosaurs on the ground?
They built them.
Why they built them on the ground?
I don't know.
We're not builders.
They're not builders?
We're not. What's that one? Is that Charlie's?
Mm-hmm. That's
Who's
Charlie's
yours?
ice cream.
Person.